16th September International Identity Day is celebrated across the world in observance of United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 16 Target 9, which calls for the provision of universally recognized legal identity for all, including birth registration by 2030. Today, we celebrate the efforts made towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and the target, and think of ways to further improve the inclusive identity system. Legal identity is not a privilege, but it is your fundamental right. NADRA is making every effort to make sure that everyone has access to legal ID. NADRA's policy framework is inclusive in nature. I established the Inclusive Registration Department just for that reason. This department was developed in August 2021 to dismantle registration barriers and to use a targeted approach to register every individual, especially those from vulnerable communities like minorities, like persons with disabilities, elderly people, and transgenders, so that we leave nobody behind. The first time ID card is free of charge. There is no charge for citizen if you apply the first ID card. With a 2.3% increase in population since the last census that was done in 2017, NADRA has achieved universal coverage of 97% adult population. Thank you.